Why is it so important for you to choose an OEM certified shop? As manufacturers continue to produce and develop advanced technologies into their vehicles, the complexity of the repair process demands brand-specific training, knowledge, and tools. As an OEM certified shop, you're ensured that the shop maintains, meets, or exceeds the manufacturer's standards for safety, quality, and adherence to the manufacturer repair procedures. This includes investment into proprietary tools, technology, scan tools, scan software, as well as yearly mandatory training for technicians as well as advisors and production team leaders. So these are our individual parts carts. Each one of these parts carts coincides with a vehicle that's in the shop for repair. So everything that's new for the vehicle that's going onto the car stays on the parts cart until the vehicle has all the parts here and is ready for a reassembly process or the repair process to begin. We're also seeing manufacturers limit the availability of OEM parts to non-certified shops to ensure consistency of quality repairs nationwide, because a vehicle repaired to manufacturer specs retains its safety and functionality as the manufacturer intended. This in turn builds brand loyalty, so if a consumer decides to trade up, trade out, or add to their fleet, they're more likely to return to that brand. At Passport Collision Center, the brands we represent are high-value vehicles, and if you want to maintain your vehicle's value, a high-quality certified OEM repair at Passport Collision Center will help you do that.